All right, welcome back to Kill the Market. This is going to be our 60-second chart review for today, Thursday, August 13th. Haven't really looked at anything yet. Thought it'd be cool if we got on it together. So here we go. We're going to start with Apple. Apple had a very nice consolidation type day here. You see yesterday we touched that weekly pivot, nice rebound off that. We held above, and now it's looking like it's ready to go tomorrow. We'll take a look over 306, should get going. We're looking for 308.63. And then there's a little gap up there up to 310.74. AMD doesn't know what it wants to do. You can see it's kind of just chopping in this level here. Hit our resistance up here, 498.15, got pretty close up, 497.99. So right off that, sold all the way back down. Little gap there for tomorrow. You could be either way on this one, bullish or bearish. What I see is a lot of selling, right? But price isn't really moving. Buyers are holding all the levels they need to. Could it come down so they can get a couple more shares? Possibly. 470 looks like it would be a nice spot, but definitely looking to fill this gap for tomorrow. Amazon has just been dumping, never able to hold that level. We talked about it in the weekly video, 278.56. Never a close above except for this one day. Totally bearish to me. We've been bearish on it, and you can see what happens. Selling right down, broke the week. Now we're kind of entering this monster gap here. Staying bearish on this one. You can see it did have that spike up this morning, so there could be more in the chamber to go down here towards this gap. We'll see tomorrow. Google, that's nothing. So when I'm going through my charts, I see something like this. We just move on. Intel's been strong. MU's been strong. We're waiting for this to cool down. It did get a higher high here over this up here. So now maybe we retest some lows. Still have this gap's going to fill here pretty quick, another week or so. So keep an eye on Intel, staying strong. We're waiting for the weakness. Meta, see, we had this trend line. It's support here. They ripped right through it, held the support. It's been holding. We now have this inside day. 495.85 for the top, and we got 579.39 for the bottom. I would love for this. This is how I would play this. I'm just throwing this out there. I wanted to break this daily candle to the downside. I wanted to find support somewhere around that 578.21 off my trend line, and then look to play this back up. Microsoft chilling way up here. Little sell off after this big push. Again, that 505.18 level would be my bull level. Going to stay bearish here tomorrow. Basically, you're looking for 493 to break, and then we get more downside. MU, my enemy, my nemesis, breakout here to the upside. Came down quite a bit during the day, and the day pushed down. Needs to hold 928.98. I'm going to look for it not to hold. So we'll kind of see. What is this? Oh, this is pretty good here. Big level here at 935.80. So keep an eye somewhere around there if you're looking to play this short. We also have now building a nice upper trend line here. So if we sell, that would be the area we're looking to take profits. Netflix going off. Don't ask me. I don't get it. It's a piece of crap. 78.19 held. We closed over. Very bullish. We'll see if this one can keep pushing. It's kind of this just ugly channel here that, once that starts getting tested, something's going to happen one way or the other. If there's a push to the upside at open, I would be looking to short under that 78.19 level. Is it smart? No, because this is definitely a bullish trend, but I hate Netflix. NVDA, we got that close above the weekly, very bullish here. Even though you got that little doji, you want to see if we can hold that 224.76. That'll get us on that next push up. Anything below 225. No, I'm sorry, 221. If we get below 221, this thing could sell off. 223, 24 to 221 would be a quick move. And then if it can't hold this 221, you're looking at 218. PLTR super bullish. 179.60 is our level. We rejected there again. I would love a break through that, retest, and it'll be gone. PayPal, again, another super, killed it on earnings. Just everyone's loving it right now. Broke out on the weekly here. Definitely looking for more push to the upside. What do we got around here? Always like to just look for levels to give you an idea of something to play. Oh, look at that. So look way back here, touch, 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 touch. So 60.96, 61 could be a tough level for it. Break above that, retest, gone. That's what I look for in my bull plays. QQQ, big day on the Qs. Outpaced SPY, finally. Might be playing catch up here. It's pushing towards that all-time high. I did have this level, 731.92. We closed right above it. So bullish in that sense. However, we need that level to hold to feel really good about going long. SPCX, weird day today. Rejected off my 145. Actually played this short. Little inside day here. Consolidation. A lot of outside stuff coming from this. But what I see is a nice consolidation day. I'm not looking to play this long. You can see I had 145 as that last level because I didn't really think it would even get here. But we can quickly find something that works. Something like that. 150, 57. That would be love to short it off there. However, we have this inside day. And if we break below, we got 139.76, then 136.83. Could be a nice little short there. SPY, all-time highs. Nobody's scared of anything. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. This is what I don't understand. If anybody listening is this guy, I would love to meet you. I would love to meet you. I just want to shake your hand and tell you what an idiot you are. So if you're out there, hit me up. Kill the market. Tesla, big push by Tesla today. It's, I talked about this support. We talked about staying bullish. Huge day today. 339.67 held, closed at 339.96. We're entering this gap here. It's going to need some strength to get through this gap. Let's see, what was this? The high on this one was 342.11. We hit 341.64. So we didn't even break that pivot today, but a nice close here. Could definitely look for some continued move to the upside. That is it for today. The VIX is in the freaking dumps. We're at 1440. I mean, you can see these lows have barely been broken. Let's see, what is this? This was the end of 25, and then you're looking at the end of 24. So it's kind of a premature dip here. Plenty way back here in 24 when things were just killing it. So this is something to keep an eye on. If it can hold this 14 level, this 1440 especially, we could see some volatility. So that's it for today. Thanks for listening. Like, subscribe, follow, do all the good stuff. If there's a chart that I missed you want me to speak on, please let me know, and we'll get on it. All right. Thanks, guys.